day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, before I go into this, remember we have the WhatsApp group, so y'all could join up and talk with countryman, share information and stuff like that. And remember, we also have Countryman Canada. See? So check it out. Now, remember I talk about Manny, that he's a member of the Dangles gang, and he was responsible for killing a young man about a year, maybe a little bit more than a year ago in Christmas. And he hangs out with Chica, all of them, Dangles, Butter. And remember, recently a shooting happened, and they say Manny was involved with it. I ain't gonna call the name, but I speak about these guys and what they're involved in, and the 100-man police station and the police them was complacent in getting these guys off the street. Well, I do have news for you. The special operation, remember I did the video about the special operation police them catching Manny, and Manny turned informer. Well, he also informed on himself, cause now he's charged with murder. And here is the information. You guys can read it. And the Jamaican police, they did a damn good job. So yo, once again, y'all see that when countryman say something, that's what it is. I don't make stuff up. So yo, the bottom feeder in the Dangles gang, Manny, finally get charged with murder. Check out this. My View TV. Now, I see you put out couple stuff a few times, but when I say, link me if you want to know anything on the Dangles and what's going on in REID'S and Greater Meadows and all those places. Cause you see what I put out is facts, and if you notice, Manny is in jail. And I remember I said this guy did a lot of stuff, and the proof is in the pudding. So my view, link me if you want more facts. That's all I have to say. Respect. And there it is in black and white, courtesy of the Jamaica Observer. It says, a 22-year-old man from St. Catherine has been charged with murder following the killing of a 20-year-old man on Christmas Day last year. You hear that? Him killed the man on Christmas Day, dog. What a piece of shit. Them boy don't have no respect for human life. Now, another thing that really surprised me about this bottom feeder boy, Manny. This dude is only 22 years old. And from his picture, the man look like a grandfather to Rasclat. You understand? That will tell you the kind of blood clot life them bird brain boy live, dog. Yo, the whole of them are some bird brain, 22 years old. And you kill the blood clot, man, my youth. You are one big pussy. You understand? And at that Dangles of them young youth here. I do. The boy Manny should have been a blood clot school. You understand? You're out there and man I press a button, but don't tell you need to inform on the whole of them. You understand? I make the police give you protection and cut, but it's too late. You get charged with blood clot murder. And how you think you get charged with murder? You talk on yourself plus people are talk on you. And before I go, I I must say, the special operation police them, they did a damn good job. And by money, stealing the people phone, the young lady phone, it bring the tracking of the phone, bring the police them right to where he was. It's an iPhone. And the special operation unit, like they had an eye out for them guys around there, they've been watching them. The policeman whose daughter phone them take is a big time, it look like, and he was ready. Plus, from the videos them that I am putting out, obviously, we know so the police them a watch Countryman. Me know that for a fact. So yo, if me can get one pussy hole off of the street like this, I don't care. Bumbleclot, him nah defend nothing. I don't like say the man them go rob a bank and get a bag of money and go kick back. Straight up. But rather them get for the money, but what them a do? Them turn predator in their fucking neighborhood and in their community. You understand? Him a walk a kill people, so you think so yo, people now go try kill you back and you are gonna live, you are gonna kill off a whole heap of people and then you are gonna live forever happily. You're mad no pussy clot. What me say? No rest for the blood clot wicked pussy. Money, finally. The police them hold you, use a bird brain, you don't have no money for lawyer, use a bottom feeder, you understand, because Dangles and Butter them and Dog Heart, them not helping you, you understand. The man them a Canada, we are support Dangles, on the seat right here so, him soldier gone to jail. And him soldier tell pan himself and tell pan a bag of man too. Plus you have informer in them crew. So the man them a Canada we are entertain Dangles. No watch out. That's all me I say. Money, good riddance. Listen, I hope you like this video and check out the WhatsApp group. We can share information and we can have a good time up in that group. Everybody is welcome. Even the bottom feeder them just now go feed per week. You understand? And check out Countryman Canada. Everybody, me love you. Countryman, I'm out.